Myself K. Pravalika. My register number 212H1A3072. I am studying AIDS in Adi Shankara Institute of Technology. Now I am discussing about switching and encoding asynchronous communication. In large network, there are multiple paths from sender to receiver. The switching technique will decide the best route for data transmission. Switching technique is used to connect the systems for making one-to-one communication. Sender, receiver, gap between data units, stop bit, start bit, direction of the flow. Circuit switching. Circuit switching is a switching technique that establishes a dedicated path between sender and receiver. In the circuit switching technique, once the connection is established, then the dedicated path will remain to exit until the connection is terminated. Circuit switching in a network operates in a similar way as the telephone works. A complete end-to-end path must exit before the communication takes place. In case of circuit switching technique, when the user wants to send the data, voice or video, a request signal is sent to the receiver. Then the receiver sends back the acknowledgement to ensure the availability of dedicated path. After receiving the acknowledgement, dedicated path transfer the data. Circuit switching is used in public telephone network. It is used for voice transmission. Fixed data can be transferred at a time. In circuit switching technology, space division switches. Space division switching is a circuit switching technology in which a signal transmission path is accomplished in a switch by using physically separate set of cross points. Space division switching can be achieved using crossbar switch. A crossbar switch is a metallic crosspoint or semiconductor gate that can be enabled or disabled by a control unit. The crossbar which is made by using the semiconductor. For example, eclectic crossbar switching using FPGAs. Space division switching has high speed, high capacity and non-blocking switches. Space division switches can be categorized into two ways: crossbar switch, multi-phase switch. First one, crossbar switch. The crossbar switch in a switch that has n input lines and n output lines. The crossbar switch has n square intersection points known as cross points. Second one, multi-stage task. Multi-stage switch is made by splitting the crossbar switch into the smaller units and then interconnecting them. It reduces the number of cross points. If one path fails, then there will be an availability of another path. Message switching. Message switching is a switching technique in which a message is transferred as a complete unit and routed through intermediate nodes at which is stored and forwarded. In message switching technique, there is no establishment of a dedicated path between the sender and receiver. The destination address is appended to the message. Message switching provides a dynamic routing as the message is routed through the intermediate nodes based on the information available in the message. Message switches are programmed in such a way so that they can provide the most efficient routes. Each and every node stores in the entire message and then forwarded into the next node. This type of network is known as store and forward network. Message switching treats each message as an independent entry. Packet switching. The packet switching is a switching technique in which the message is sent in one go, but it is divided into smaller pieces and they are sent individually. The message spills into smaller pieces known as packets, and packets are given a unique number to identify their order in the receiving end. Every packet contains some information in its headers such as source address, destination address and sequence number. Packets will travel across the network taking the shortest path as possible. All the packets are reassembled at the receiving end in correct order. If any packet is missing or corrupted, then the message will be sent to resend the message. If the correct order of the packets is reached, then the acknowledgement message will be sent. Thank you.